Welcome to lesson 23 of phonics, and it's fun with phonics. Yay! Okay, so again with the tricky words, try and get them this time, try and get them to write the words. So you're at the point now where you encourage them to write it, read it, write it. So again with what we've done previously, if you make flashcards, it's a lot easier. So if you hold up a word, it might be she, get them to read it, and then you cover it, let them write it, and then hold it up and see if they got it right. Make it into a game. They like games. It makes it more fun, makes it exciting. Okay? Try and do different things with it. The more you use the flashcards, I know I keep saying flashcards, but once you've made it once, there's so many possibilities of things that you can do with it. So try and do it. Just pieces of paper, cut up, write it, keep it in a container, use it as often as you can. Use different colours. Children like bright colours, so try and use different ones where possible. Okay, again with the sounds, put on flashcards, get them to say the sounds, hold it up, say it, put it down, write it, did they get it right? Or if your child is at a point where you can just hold up the flashcards so you can see it, they can't see it, and then say the different sounds. Give them about 6 per day. By the end of the week, you would have gone through as many sounds and they wouldn't even realise that they've done that much. So play around with it as much as possible. Get them ready for year 1, because in year 1 they're going to be doing they'll be doing a bit more reading, a bit more writing. So the more your child's prepared, the easier it will be for your child. So if they know this, they can read it and write it. Year 1 will just be very comfortable for them. So as I've said before, these words that we're learning, these ones here, these are phase 4. So when they're going to year 1, they should be starting with phase 5. Okay, so the more you work with them, it will be much easier for them when they get to year 1. Okay, here you've got your sounds. Again, flashcards. This is the point where we're at. You don't need to have that. Make flashcards. Flash it 5 minutes any part of the day, before breakfast, after breakfast, bath times, dinner time, any point. Quick, before they go on the trampoline, just a quick flash. So wherever possible, just do that. Although the holidays are here, do not stop in the holidays. Try and use it where possible. Hence why I'm encouraging the flashcards. So the more you have it, easier it is, rather than keep taking out the charts. They might not appreciate that. Okay? Okay, so with here, okay, once they've read it, encourage the spelling fingers. So when you're doing the spelling fingers, don't let them see the word. I'm sure you know that. Okay? So the word, you don't have to get them to write the pseudo words, just focus on the real words. So with the pseudo words, you're just reading it. With the real words, you're reading and writing it. Okay? So the word brown. So So you hold it, encourage them to hold up their fingers, and then for yourself, so get them to write it, get them to write it, ow, get them to write it, and get them to write it. So this is also reading and writing practice. Don't think it's just reading, I'm done. No, they need to be able to use spelling fingers. So once they've done it, again with the flashcards where possible, hold it to your chest, say it, get them to read it, hold it to your chest, encourage them to use their spelling fingers and write it. You don't have to do all of them, you can do 3 of them per day, or do 3 on a different day. Okay. Alright, so then we've got our reading. Again, I've underlined the diagraphs in the words, so it makes it easier for your child to see. Get them to read the blue words. Once they're comfortable with that, move on to the green. Once they're comfortable with that, move on to the other final blue one. So encourage them at each chance. Once they've got it through once, do not think, oh, it's finished. Encourage them to keep practice, because we're looking for fluency. So the more regular practice they have, the quicker they're going to become at reading. So what we're aiming for at the moment is fluency. Try and do that through the holidays. The more they have access to this or any other reading materials, the better they're going to be. The aim is to get them ready for year one. This is what this is about. Okay, so here, choose a sentence, get them to write it. If your child can do a sentence, the aim is they don't have to write all of it. So if your child is at a point where you originally were dictating each word, get them to hold it in their head. So sniff the jar, sweet jar. So you're at a point where you're just saying the sentence over and over again, so your child's writing it until they finish writing it. So you could just keep saying the sentence, sniff the sweet jar. Sniff the sweet jar. Keep saying it until your child is able to write all of those words in that sentence by themselves. Once they've done it, leave it. So you're moving from dictating each word to trying to get them to hold the sentence in their head so that they become more independent. That's helping them to be able to think of a sentence, hold it in their head, and write it independently. So each stage is helping your child to become more independent in their writing. Okay? So that's the end of lesson 23. Thank you.